Hey, what's up, tech enthusiasts? Welcome back to Kapp Tech. Today, we're diving deep into one of the most mysterious phenomena that has been making headlines recently: mass drone sightings in the northeastern United States. But this isn't just your typical drone story. Oh no, we're going beyond the surface. We're going to break down 6 possible causes for these sightings, and some of them might just blow your mind. So, sit back, relax, and let's get into it. Alright, let's start with the most likely culprit, China. Now, I'm giving China a 40% chance here. Why? Well, China has been making headlines recently for its advanced drone technology, and it's been involved in multiple high-profile surveillance incidents. Most notably, the 2023 spy balloon that was shot down over the US. It was a huge deal, and it shows us that China is actively testing and probing US defenses. When it comes to drones, China has made significant investments in drone technology, both military and civilian. Their drones have been spotted in international airspace, and there's even been suspicion of espionage activities happening in US airspace. Now, think about it: drones are the perfect tool for surveillance. They're low profile, difficult to detect, and capable of gathering vast amounts of data from afar without much risk. So, when we see drone swarms over US territory, it's entirely plausible that China is behind it, conducting reconnaissance to monitor US military movements, critical infrastructure, and more. That's why I think China holds the highest probability in this case. Next up, we've got something a little more secretive: Unacknowledged Special Access Projects, or USAPs. Now, I'm putting this one at 25%. So, what exactly are USAPs? If you're not familiar, they're secretive, often highly classified government projects that operate outside of normal oversight, funded by black budgets and often beyond the reach of elected officials. Dr. Stephen Greer, a prominent figure in UFO research, has been speaking out about USAPs for years. He argues that a network of private contractors, military-industrial entities, and even intelligence agencies are behind these operations. These groups, Greer claims, are working on advanced technologies, some of which may even involve extraterrestrial tech. Now, why would USAPs be involved in these drone sightings? Well, it's possible that these drones aren't from a foreign adversary at all. Instead, they could be part of a highly classified project testing new technologies. Greer has suggested that these USAPs have been working on reverse engineering extraterrestrial craft and developing advanced aerospace technologies. Could these drones be part of that? I think it's entirely possible. We've seen similar operations in the past. Think back to the U-2 spy plane or the stealth bomber, both of which were initially mistaken for UFOs. So, USAPs are a strong possibility, and I'm giving them a 25% chance. Moving on, let's talk about Russia. Now, I'm giving Russia a 15% chance. Russia is no stranger to espionage, and they've been known to use drones for surveillance purposes. But, while Russia has certainly invested in aerospace and drone technologies, the scale of these drone swarms seems a bit much for them. You see, Russia has historically targeted the US with various forms of intelligence gathering, and drones could be an excellent way to quietly monitor US military installations and critical infrastructure. But given the size and scope of these drone sightings and the fact that Russia's economy has been under pressure lately, it seems less likely that they have the resources to launch such an operation on this scale. Still, Russia has the technical know-how to pull something like this off, so I'm giving them a 15% chance. Now, let's talk about the possibility that these drone sightings could just be hoaxes, misidentified objects, or natural phenomena. I'm putting this one at 10%. Why? Because, in today's world, it's easier than ever to create a hoax or for people to misinterpret things in the sky. Drones have become incredibly common, and people might be seeing normal aircraft or other objects and jumping to conclusions. In some cases, these drones could be misidentified satellites, meteorological balloons, or even other aircraft. It's also possible that atmospheric distortions or natural phenomena, like cloud formations, could be confusing people into thinking they're seeing something more mysterious. While I think this is a smaller possibility, it's still something to consider, and I'm giving it a 10% chance. Okay, now we're getting into the really intriguing stuff: aliens. Yes, I'm giving this one a 5% chance. I know, this is where things get wild, but stay with me. Dr. Stephen Greer has been vocal about extraterrestrial involvement in UFO phenomena for decades, and he's convinced that there's a widespread presence of alien life monitoring Earth. So, could these drones be alien craft? Well, I'm not so sure. The behavior of these drones, flying over military installations and behaving in very human ways, suggests that they're likely a product of advanced human technology. However, Greer's point is that extraterrestrial craft could be monitoring us, potentially even observing military movements or watching over critical events. But while it's an exciting possibility, without clear, verifiable evidence, the idea that these drones are extraterrestrial is still just a theory. So, I'm putting the alien theory at a 5% chance for now.
Know about those alien drone things all over the news, and no one knows what they are? Well, I think they are aliens. Because it's hard to believe that we are the only thing out there in the whole entire universe. We can't be the only thing out there, because the universe is infinite. So I think they are like aliens trying to communicate with us, because maybe their planet is in danger or something. They might be from another galaxy. They might be from a planet in our solar system. I don't know. But I definitely think it is aliens. Please like and sub if you agree with me.
Let's stop the video.
Bye.
What's up, tech heads? Let's dive right in. Mysterious drones, where do they begin? From the skies to the ground, we've got a lot to explore. Breaking it down.